Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know, it seems like it's never ending, and you're right. Starting a 3,000 capacity poultry farm is not an easy task, okay? There's always something to be done, and it seems like it's never ending. But hey, we've started, so there's no stopping, okay? So in today's video, we're talking about tiling the farmhouse bathroom and the storage, okay? So if you're ready, let's get into the video while Ejadan takes some measurement. The stuff we need to finish the bathroom and the office on the farm. These are toilet. Okay. 41.50. Many do a hanomon. A yellow container be one chow, one motel. Maybe a lucky gas one. Yes, these are the tiles we need to do the bathroom and the office. Yes, you might be wondering, why is she bothering with tiling the office and the bathroom in farmhouse? Yes, it's true, but I want my worker to feel comfortable and at home so he'll be able to do a good job. So we thought it was a good idea to give it a finishing look so he can be comfortable while he works for us. Yep, I'm checking these before I leave, okay? Because getting refunds and exchange in Ghana is not a common practice. So before I left, I wanted to make sure the toilet wasn't shattered, and so everything was good to go. So that's what I was doing. It's very important. Customer service in Ghana is a little lackey, so to speak. Here we go. Ejadan is ready to go, and he's putting the tiles in water. So I was asking, why does he have to put in water? He said if I don't do that and I lay it, it's going to be popping up. So that's what I was asking him. But because of copyright and the music behind, I muted it. Okay, so that's basically what I was asking him. So Ejadan is ready to rock and roll. But hey guys, I just realized I haven't asked you to subscribe yet. Okay, if you haven't subscribed already, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button, okay? And don't forget to comment, like, and share after watching this video. Engaging on my videos allow YouTube to show my videos to more viewers, so to speak. So help me out, okay? And like, comment, and share. For tiling and wetting the floor. Prep works are done and we're ready to start laying the tiles. Yes, he's measuring to make sure that everything is leveled, but he had a little bit of challenge because it wasn't leveled. So he tried his best. It didn't look the best, but because of how the structure wasn't level, because initially we didn't think we were going to do tiling, so we didn't put that in mind. So he did his best. The truth is that we are the cause of our problems. God created heaven and earth is governed well. Oh, okay. Mate. Wait, I'm sorry, why? It's coming along beautifully. He's doing his best with the levelness of the ground. He chisels where it needs to be chiseled, and then he does what he does. So there he goes. So yeah, guys, I was engaging Ejadan while he's doing his work, and apparently he said he does plumbing, biogas digester, biofil digester. He does tiling. He does mason work. He does a whole lot of stuff. So I was just asking him about his qualifications, and that's what he was telling me about the video after this. Into his oh, okay. Oh. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay. Oh, into now. Oh, okay. Into now is school. Sa ufie no. Oh, okay. Mobi. Oh, okay. Sunday you no cry no ye. No cry ye. Yeah. No, they are sure. Oh. Into where's you dying? Oh, why are they waiting for you say? Oh, yeah, what is hey, and why are you? Who bought more than pa? How many? Jamie be sure with you, man, because one day, who bedroom be now a big man. Yes. This is the floor tile. We're done. It needs to be cleaned. He's done tiling the office/storage, so now we're in the bathroom and he's doing some plumbing work so he can start tiling there as well. Bathroom wall tiling is underway and it's coming along rather quickly. Okay. I think Dr. Provochina. Sound okay. It's time to lay the block to separate the shower from the toilet, okay? In Pajoya, no, Pajobi to your plaster, and I come a crack. And then maybe you have a child that house. Okay. Then you want plaster them to we just smooth. Okay. Say, plaster, okay. Into in plaster and all the time up on there, you know. One cent at time, yes, and I can't have yeah. It's your plaster, no, the task in this event. Okay. But some plaster to what I will say. Aye. 87. Okay. You know, would you have so plaster where I know the task nation? Okay. I'm a task and I'm going to see. Okay. Ah, when we go now, me, Mancasa about to see, I'm even friend missing here. 80 task now, but any difference will be. Mate. Leave man, because I'm kind of me missing now, so be a missing of Casa again, you see, I'm saying what to blocks in a year. So I will some. Mate. The frame is now complete. sink, shower. Yep. This is now more like it, how we wanted it. Beautiful. Yes, guys, this is the final product. We had some misunderstanding between Ejedan and Dr. Banson, but hey, it was miscommunication issue, but we figured it out and everything is done. This is the final look. Thank you so much for tagging along. I appreciate your love and support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much and smile.